Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to restore a past or earlier version of your Google Sheet. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So what I have to do is select the File tab at the top left, and then go down to Version History and select See Version History. Select the version on the right side you want to restore back to, and you can expand to see even more smaller incremental versions. And then select where it says restore this version, and then select restore, and that's what you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.